So, my roommate Dave decided our house needed a little more tech flair, and he came up with what he called the snack alert system. The idea was simple: every time someone opened the fridge, a sensor would send a text to our phones. At first, it seemed like a fun novelty. Who wouldn't want to know when their leftover pizza was about to be snatched? But soon, our phones were buzzing non-stop, like a swarm of bees in a phone booth. It started ruining everything. I was in a job interview, trying to explain my strong problem-solving skills, when my phone vibrated 18 times in 2 minutes. Turns out, Dave was making a sandwich. The texts were so frequent that one day, I decided to outsmart the system. I taped the fridge door shut, thinking I was a genius. The next moment, Dave, looking perplexed, asked why the fridge was texting him, "I'm on a diet." Turns out, I accidentally